Patreon.com/shadesandtrades if you want to join the private Discord for trade alerts. Cool, thanks, man. I made over 50%. I'm really excited. Advice on when to buy and sell makes the difference of thousands of dollars. So again, patreon.com/shadesandtrades for trade alerts. So let's talk about behind the numbers, right? I can point to a chart, I can point to the financial revenues, but at the end of the day, there's still so much that we have not touched on with regards to APLD, right? The AI revolution is here. And how exactly does APLD make its money? Everyone looks at the debt. Oh no, the debt, the cash burn. Oh no. But if you're just looking at that, you look like an idiot, because you'll when this thing crashes to $30, you're going to be wishing you bought. And then it's going to run to 100. You're going to be like, oh, I should have bought when it was cheap. I have a Discord member, Joey Shaw. He saw APLD stock at $20 and he didn't buy it because he was like, oh no, the cash burn. Oh no. But I don't think he looked at the big picture here. Didn't look at the big picture. Right? This is a pure play digital landlord for high performance computing. And the best part about this is, let me find it here real quick. Let me see, where is it? Right here. They generate flat, predictable revenue. They provide the space, energize the machines, and cool the hardware, and maintain the internet connectivity. And you can see they got places in North Dakota and Texas. And then they take that money, right? They take those revenues, they take that money and put it back in to build out more infrastructure. You can see here the base layer of the AI boom. Build specialized liquid-cooled facilities. Secure contracts. They put that back into creating new sites, and the cycle repeats over and over again. Right? I mean, it's a business that's just getting started. It's growing. Of course, it's going to burn through a lot of cash. But as long as they're securing these sweet contracts, it's no big deal. And so I don't know why Joey Shaw, again, a Discord member, I don't know what he was thinking. I was telling people to buy under 30, and when it was under 20s, I'm like, psh, don't even think about it. This is absolutely a buy at 20s. Under 20, even better. In fact, I was hoping for this to crash to 10. I was like, let's get this back under 10. But no, nobody wants it when it crashes. They get scared, they doubt themselves, etc., etc. They make excuses like, oh, execution, I'm bad at executing. No, you're just a bitch. That's what that is. Yeah, how do you look at a stock go nice and cheap and you don't execute? That doesn't make sense. And then you kick yourself later for not buying. Yeah, I think you need to stop looking. Right? Not just Joey Shaw, but everyone else that's like him who gets scared when the stock is cheap. You got to look at the bigger picture. And this is giving you the bigger picture, right? It even says right here, APLD is entirely insulated from which AI software or language model ultimately wins the tech race. They just own the infrastructure. That's it. Right? You can see here, look at these arrows. They're pointing to exactly what the flow is here. Pure play infrastructure. That's why it's moved from 20s to nearly 50. It has not gotten above 50. It is trying to break 50. I'm sure by the time this video comes out, maybe it will have broken 50. And it will surge to 55, 60, 75, 90, 100, 120. Those are my levels at least that I'm watching for. Am I going to buy? No, because it's already, the buy time was at 20s when I was telling you guys. Even at 30 would have been fine. I was telling you guys, like, buy and hold. This can go to 100. It's not going to happen right away. This is why you can't be scared if a company's spending a lot of money or burning through a lot of cash, especially when it's just getting started. This is no Nvidia. You can't expect it to have, right? You can't expect it to have that kind of cash that Nvidia has. Nvidia is very well established for decades. So to look at something like this, nice and cheap and discounted on the charts, and then be like, man, that cash burn scares me, right? The thing is, companies are not going to cancel these contracts because we need the AI infrastructure in place. and the more the merrier, right? There's apparently these, what is it, the FBI? I think the FBI, was it the FBI? Apparently they announced that there's going to be a lot of anti-tech extremists who are not going to be very happy about these infrastructure build-outs, and so we might see some destruction in the future, maybe. I don't know. That was just a very interesting tweet that I saw, that the FBI has said, hey, there might be an uprising against the infrastructure side of things, because I guess it increases the cost of electricity for everyone else. So valid point, but you don't have to go to the extreme side of things to make your point. But yeah, this APLD stock, when this comes down to that purple line, you buy. You just shut the hell up and you buy. Don't question it. Don't doubt yourself. No fear, right? This is just something I've noticed recently, is a lot of people are just being a bitch. Like, it's a bull run. And it's a bull run where the government's like, hey, I'm taking a stake in this sector, that sector, this sector, and then that sector just booms. Space stocks, Jones, whatever, right? Who knows what's next? I'm sure something else. Maybe he'll just rotate. Maybe Trump's going to be like, hey, yeah, we're going to take stakes in I mean, I could see him doing that. Hey, we're going to take stakes in rare earth elements again, and then okay, let's just do Jones. Just drop a PR that we're gonna take stakes in Jones stocks again, and it's just a cycle of him pumping sectors over and over again. I could see him doing that. That's absolutely possible. He is the government at this point, so I don't sleep on this. I still believe 100. When, if, not if. I was about to say if. Hell no, I'm not even gonna say if. When this goes to 100. And you're not in the Discord, you join that damn Discord. Because I keep it real. It works. Buy at the purple line. I'll see you guys in the next one.